All right, guys, back in the shop, working on the WR. Hopefully this will be the finale build. We actually lost some footage. So there's some things that got done off camera that I don't have a record of. So again, we're just going to touch base. So we got our bark busters on. We've got the bigger radiators. We've actually fabricated, I don't know if you can see that piece of plate there. We basically had to extend the mounts for this radiator guard. We got the graphics, got the brand new tank. Tyler ordered a YZ, that's a YZ250 seat. Ordered that YZ250 seat so it actually sits down flush on the gas tank. And pretty much now, the only thing we have left to do is wire up the tail light and the brake light. So we've tested it and made sure that it works. And all we're gonna do to get it working is, this bike came with a standard 2-wire light, and basically it was just a running light. So we're gonna crank the bike up and we're gonna switch these back and forth to see which one of these 3 wires is the brake and which one is the running light. And we're gonna feed power off of the power line for the tail light. And we're gonna actually run it to the running light, but we're also gonna split it off and go to the switches for the banjo bolts. That way we can actually have working brake lights. So theoretically, we should be able to tag this bike if we wanted to. Slap a South Dakota plate on it and we'll have some brakes, and we got a headlight and a big old gas tank on it. So yeah, let's see if we can get these lights working. All right, start it up, Tyler, first kick. You're terrible.
Who built the bike?
I don't know who built the bike. Pressure's on. Okay, so what we're trying to do is get Tyler to crank the bike up so that we can make sure that the running light and the brake light works. But Tyler's not cranking the bike up. Dude, will you just make it run?
I don't like you.
I know. So we've got all the wiring done. We're gonna tidy it all up once we can confirm it's gonna work. There we go. Let's tidy the wires up, and I don't know, we're had to put a tube in the tire, in the front tire. We've changed the tube once, but the tube we put in it was a piece of junk. So we're gonna have to put a tube in it. But we're gonna tidy up these wires, zip tie everything down, make it look nice and neat, try to hide it a little bit, and then probably put the seat on it and take it ripping across the yard. Yeah, we probably need to move the idle up just a little bit, but she runs good, smooth. I like it. So here it is, guys. Tyler's giving her a good wipe down because we were actually going to sell this bike.
It's not the original plan.
Which was, yeah, it was not the original plan. The original plan was fix it up, maybe tag it, have Tyler ride the crap out of it. New plan, get a bike with electric start. But as you can see, there's
the bike doesn't run is because Tyler's fat.
Yes, he's fat.
He's got Dunlop disease.
Yeah.
So Dunlop over my belt.
But yeah, so Tyler actually replaced that thing too, because the original one was like all jacked up. But as you can see, I mean, this thing's got a lot of work went into it. Frame had come off, and you know, surely watch the other videos, but there's a lot of effort here. A lot of money, a lot of effort, and I think it turned out really nice. It's a great looking bike. So yeah, we got what? We put a bottom end in it. We put a new crank, a new. Did we change piston? Yeah, we got a piston. The only thing we didn't touch in the engine was the cylinder. We didn't change the cylinder, and I don't think we adjust the valves either.
Nope,
the valves didn't need adjusting.
Just got cleaned up. Valves were good.
Yeah. So
new suspension on the back of it.
That's right. We changed the spring.
New fork seals.
Fork seals, wheel bearings.
Got a DID gold chain.
Yeah.
New tubes. Bunch of extra new guards.
Yep. Got
bars.
the moose levers with the little grippies.
Spark buster bars, pads.
Oh yeah, and we made this. I forgot about making that work.
Cleaner hot start.
Yeah.
For compression release. New tank. Radiators, shrouds.
Of course, the graphics.
Plastics, seat. Filter.
Oh yeah, and a conversion from the WR to the YZ fender, which made a huge difference.
New lights front and back.
Yeah.
New
Sweet.
Frame guards.
Man.
A lot.
Yep. So, all right. So there it is, guys. Job complete. Sorry about losing the footage of, you know, I don't know, part 5, which was basically, I think we did the things for the radiator guards and a few other little odds and ends, but yeah, she turned out good. Thanks for watching.